Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine Kerala style. First, gather your ingredients: ripe grapes, sugar, wine yeast, and a selection of spices like cinnamon and cloves. Sterilize all your equipment thoroughly to ensure a clean fermentation. This crucial step prevents unwanted bacteria from spoiling your batch. Choose a food-grade fermentation vessel, such as a glass carboy, for best results. Next, prepare your grapes. Wash them thoroughly under running water and carefully remove all stems. Then, gently crush the grapes to extract their juice, being careful not to break the seeds, which can release bitter flavors. Now, add your sugar to the crushed grapes. The amount depends on how sweet you want your wine and its final alcohol percentage. If you're finding this guide helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Quick recommendation: just like you're brewing up something special, you can also read up on countless recipes and stories anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now it's time for fermentation. Combine your grape mixture with the activated wine yeast in your sterilized vessel. Securely attach an airlock to the top. This allows carbon dioxide to escape without letting air in. Store your fermenting wine in a cool, dark place, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for several weeks. Patience is key here. After initial fermentation, you'll need to rack your wine. Carefully siphon the clear wine into a new, clean vessel, leaving the sediment at the bottom. Repeat this racking process every few weeks until your wine is perfectly clear. Finally, age your wine for several months. This aging period allows the flavors to meld and mature, creating a truly delightful Kerala-style wine.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.